Today I'm going to be showing off Messana's modular manifold. It's an 1.25" manifold that was designed specifically for hydronic heating and cooling purposes. So how it works is we have these interlocking modules that just snap together, and you could actually build a manifold with anywhere from 2 to 12 loops. Another added benefit, since this was designed specifically for hydronic heating and cooling applications, is that you can install the modules in different directions. So some could be facing up for your radiant ceiling, while others face down for the radiant floor. And so using various adapters, you could actually use various types of PEX with our manifold. You can use 5/16, 1/2, 5/8, or 3/4 inch PEX. And then finally, at the end of the whole process, the entire manifold is covered with a pre-cut insulating material to minimize energy loss. And so what we're going to do is we're going to assemble this as a 5-loop manifold and then show you what it looks like to make it into a 7-loop manifold. And so what we'll have to do is go in and split it up in the middle and then add another mounting bracket, because once you get past 5 loops, you're going to want to have a third mounting bracket in the middle to support your manifold. So we're going to start by checking to make sure that we have our O-ring in place, and then we'll connect our 1.25" inch NPT female inlet module with a 1.25" inch fill drain module, which also has an air bleed valve as well as a temperature probe. Then we'll connect the first 3-loop return module with the fill drain module, once again making sure that we have our O-ring in place. And then we'll add a 2-loop return module and install the end module to complete this 5-loop return main. Then we'll just repeat the process for the supply main. So we'll make sure our O-rings are in place, connect the NPT female inlet module with the fill drain module. Then you're going to go ahead and add your 3-loop supply module and your 2-loop supply module. And then finish it off with an end module to complete your 5-loop supply main. Then we'll go ahead and attach both mains to the 2 mounting brackets. And there we have it, a completed 5-loop manifold. Now to make this 5-loop manifold a 7-loop manifold, we're going to split both mains in between the 3-loop and 2-loop modules and add an intermediate module, which will give us a point to attach the manifold to the 3rd mounting bracket, which will support the manifold in the middle. Then we're going to add 2 2-loop modules and an end module to each main to complete this 7-loop manifold. And then you can connect both mains to the 3 mounting brackets and you have a completed Messana modular manifold. Thanks for watching. If you have a question, don't hesitate to ask.